Okay, in this time, I would like to do the demo how to set up a webinars using a platform which is a LiveStorm. Let's say I just logging into the platform. In platform, we can choose session and then click on new session, and then in here we can set up when will be the session going to help. For example, in here in 5, oh no, in 1 September, and then 5 p.m. Indonesian time, and save. Also in here you can add your team members. For example, this is me as a host. Also you're able to add team member. In here there is a drop down. As you can see, there is my virtual assistant email. Previously I already add my email as a moderator, or you can click new team member in here, and then you can also invite them by typing invite new team member, and then they will be receive an email, an invitation to be as a moderator. Let me show you how the email. Okay, this is my ah, here we are. You've been invited to join Nathan Les on Livestorm. Click on the accept invitation, and then you'll be redirected to the registration form for Livestream platform. Then after this, you can set up as the moderator for your new members. So we back and add the team member, and then check new LVA, and then schedule the session. Okay, after that we can see there will be an upcoming event. Also, you can find the link for registration page in here, or you can share the event. And this is the registration page. You can copy and share to your friends or the students. So okay, we can go to by clicking view registrations, and then you can see there is only two people in here, which is me as a host and also my moderator. You can click on setting. In here you can do the configuration. For example, this is the event name, also the descriptions. For speaking permission, only team members and guests who able to speak, or everyone can speak. And in here you can customize your registration form. Let me show you. Sorry, my connection's a bit slow. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, sorry. In here we can customize our registration form, such as registration fields, name, last name, email, and then in here you can customize your event room, such as able to do polling and questions and chat. You can also allow attendees to download the shared PDF presentations. Okay, and then In design, you can configure, customize your registration page by using your logo and your cover image. You can see also this is the invitation email. And then in email, I'm sorry. Okay, this is also the configuration for emails. You can check it out one by one. And then we go back to the sessions. So let's we try to do registration by share event, copy. Okay, let me open one incognito Windows, and then okay. So let's try to access the registration page. Here, let me check. Uh, I can use my this one. So okay, this is the registration page. The event will be start on 1 hour 52 minutes, and then you can register using Google account, or you're just typing your email. For example, let me use my um, this is the event description and hosted by who. You can also check the company, all of the event held by the company, and then just click registration. Okay, last name. Oh, well, I agree. Receive access link. Then let's wait my email, so we can type it on LiveStorm. No result. Ah, there you are. So this is the registration email. Just copy it, or you can click it actually, but I'm using incognito. Copy link address, and then okay, so as attendees, I'm going to join the room, but the session actually still is upcoming. There you go. Please wait for the host to start the event. Click on the event room, join event and participate. So the left is me as a host. On the right is uh, me as a attendees. So let's try to start the event. I want to start my event early. Start the event. So we are going to live in 3 seconds. There you go. The attendees join the room. So what the unique, the feature that made me interesting using the LiveStorm is we have polls, questions, and chat. So let's say we are trying to make some chat. Hi, good morning. Sorry. Good. Hi, good morning. Then, so this is the chat. Good morning to. Okay. So also for the host, you can add a post. For example, add a poll, new poll. Which one do you prefer? Maybe for KFC. A option for cooking. You able to set the poll as a mandatory poll in here. Then send a poll. So if you set as a mandatory, there will be a pop-up in here. Attendee need to submit their vote. For example, I love KFC and I submit the vote. Let me skip this one. And there you go. So you can see the poll, the result of the poll in here. Just click on see the results and there you go. So attendee just uh, choose KFC for the polls. Okay, so we have another feature that questions. As attendees, I would like to ask new questions. What is your name? Okay, so I can see in here there is a questions. In here we have two choice. By answering it, type on here, or we use it start live answer. So I would like to type in here my name is Nathan. There you go. My name is Nathan. Ask a new question. You finish your homework and questions, and then I would like to start live answer. Then there is a pop-up in here. If attendee thinks that the answer are good or it's already answered the questions, you can do the upvotes. There you go. After finishing, you can click on I'm done answering. The pop-up will come. Also for the attendees, you can check the questions and the polls, the past one, by clicking it in here. I'm sorry, it's an error. Let me refresh the page. Pardon me, my connections not so good. So in LiveStorm, there is a unique features, something like Zoom have, which is a breakout room. That will be really interesting features. Join. So let me try to. This is a breakout rooms. So let's try to breakout rooms. For example, choose assignment methods and then manual, or you can choose automatic. Select participant, let's say this one. The attendees set into room 1 and then assign the participants. You can choose as a host which room you would like to join. So for example, I would like to join room 1. Join it and start the session. So we will be joining the room in room 1 in 10 seconds. Breakout room session will be starting. Okay, there you go. So we are in breakout rooms. There are two attendees, which is one host and one attendees. Then we're able to, let's try to end breakout rooms. And breakout rooms, the big breakout rooms will be end in 10 seconds. So we will back to the main stage or main room. There you go. So we already in the main room. Let's try to end the event. Oh, sorry, pardon me. You're also able to do some reaction. There will be a pop-up in here, a floating icon. It's really cool actually. And then you can end the event. I want to end my event early. Click on end event. And we just finish the session. After finish the session, the attendees also will have uh, an email something like this. Let me. Thanks for showing up in this session. You can also watch reply by clicking on it in the email. And then in dashboard, so if we refresh, the session already passed actually since we have just ended the session. But you can see and analyze the data from the previous session. See past sessions and then which one yeah, previously? This one. View the registrations. So uh, three are registered, two attended, which is me as a host and previously one attendee, and my account, which is a moderator, unable to join due to I just only have one laptop. As you can see, there's a big breakdown of the attendees. You can see also you can able to resend the access link, the let registration. If the attendees do appropriate things, you also able to block from all events. And then this is the country from the IP, also registration date, attendee. Did the attendee really attend the event? Yes, you can check in here. Attendance rate. So why is 86%? Because during the event, I just lost my connections previously, as you know, as you remember it. And also has view replay. No, we are not yet view the replay from the email. So if we view the replay, this will be checked. And then if you click on here, you can see the data, more details. For example, from the pools, what's his choice, and the others data, yeah, the browsers, others. Okay, also you able to export the data, registration, chat message, questions, and many more. There you go. So this platform, I think, is really the best suit for SQBVA, which is it's really easy to use. The UI or the platform are really user friendly and also have many features that I think, from my perspective, it's really good. And the features above from the Demio that previously SUBVA use. I think that's all from me. So I will try to break down the pricing plan and the features in the PDF letter. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.